Time for a long overdue Corolla update. I have been working on this thing like crazy and made a ton of progress. So without further ado, let me show it to you. Here's where I'm at. Pretty well tidied up in the engine bay. A few loose ends yet. Obviously I haven't touched much of the bodywork yet because that shit sucks. Partial interior. Dash bar harnesses. Got a new computer to hook up to my ECU. But it runs. Pretty excited. My exhaust is on, cat back. Polished it up a little bit, because why not? So I'll go ahead and start it up for you quick. Yeah, I'm sitting on the floor. I don't have a seat in it. I've relocated my radiator. It used to tilt back this way towards the engine quite a bit. That's because this harness used to go in front. But I'm gonna route it up under here, it's cleaner, and then I can bring the radiator further back. And so I made my own brackets, just out of some aluminum stock I had. Nothing fancy, a couple pieces of inner tube under there to isolate it. Still got brakes to bleed, clutch master cylinder to bleed, and a few loose ends, but nothing major. And then I'll be getting the interior back together, and for too long this will be roadworthy. So next video, I got some wheels I'm gonna be putting on, bleeding brakes, bleeding clutch master, and basically making this thing able to roll and move under its own power for the first time in a decade. So until then, thanks for coming by and watching.